Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial again, and this tutorial we are going to cover ES6 basics and also we are going to learn the new keywords in ES6. So we have discussed in last tutorial is about the features or what are the goals of ES6. Now let's discuss what are the new keywords. So first let's take let. Let is the new keyword which is very interesting, and how it's different from var. Let's compare. So we have checked with Babel. So what is Babel? Babel is basically a transpiler. It's compiling one language to another language. So now see, if I am writing let, it will be converting in the form of where, because in ES5 we don't have any keyword let. Okay, so now if you want to run your code, so let's open ES6 console.com and write some code. So declare a function test var, and here declare a variable var a equal to 10 and write a loop if true, then open and do the console dot log a, then here console dot log a also, and declare a variable inside of the loop var equal to a equal to 20. Now if you run this small application, so for that we need to call that method test var, and if you're running this application, see, so first time we are getting 20 here, and next time I also getting 20 because var has functional scope. So now whenever I have declared a equal to 10, so it is assigned to 20. Now if I am checking here, also I am getting 20 because after that it will be replacing by 20 because var has a functional scope. And let's test the same thing with var. Now let's do it with the let function test let. Here declare the same thing with the keyword let a equal to 12 and say if true, then do let a equal to 23 and do the console log dot log a, and outside of the scope also do the console dot log a. Now run test let. Now run test let. Okay, so let's clear the console and run it again. Let's see the result. Now see, first time it's printing 23 because I have assigned let a equal to 23, and after that block it is printing 12. Why? Because this let has a block level scope. And let's take another variable, then you will understanding better. Let be equal to 23. Now if I am trying to print console.log b and let me run. Now see, in the place of a we are getting 23, and after that we are getting a, value of a is 12, but if I am printing b I am not getting anything because in b we don't know what is b here, so it's printing null. Indirectly it's printing null. So that is the scope of a let and var. So in the var it's a global scope, and a let it's a block level scope. So this is the area of a let. Now if I declare let b equal to 34 and if I run it again, then you will be getting b, because now I got the scope of let. Okay, so it's work as a global now. So I hope you guys understand, and thanks for watching all this tutorial, and we are going to continue on that ES6 on other features. Thanks for watching. Bye.